Hello dear students, welcome to City Pride School Bhilai. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is Roman numbers. Now, what are Roman numbers? Roman numbers होते क्या हैं? So, till now whatever numbers you have studied, ये आपने पढ़ा हुआ है 1 2 3 4 पढ़ा है, 1 ऐसे लिखते हैं, 5 ऐसे लिखते हैं, 10 ऐसे लिखते हैं. These numbers are called Hindu Arabic numbers. बट इन रोमन लैंग्वेज, रोमन तरीके से नंबर को लिखने का सिस्टम अलग है. ओके, सो दीज आर सर्टेन रोमन नंबर्स. सो यू हैव स्टडीड दिस इन योर प्रीवियस क्लासेस आल्सो. इवन क्लास 1 2 के बच्चों को भी छोटा छोटा रोमन नंबर बताया जाता है. सो यू नो दैट दिस इज 1, दिस इज 5, दिस इज 10. इतना तो आपको पता है. मैं ये अज्यूम करके चल रहा हूं कि 1 5 and 10 you know how to write. Okay, but we have to study a little more Roman numbers as we are in higher classes now. So this is 1, V is written as 5, X is written as 10, L is written as 50, C is written as 100, D is written as 500 and M is written as 1000. So इतना अगर आपको याद रहेगा 1 से लेकर के 1000 तक, then I guarantee you कि आप कोई भी रोमन नंबर गलत नहीं लिखोगे आज की क्लास अटेंड करने के बाद. Okay, so let's start. So there are certain rules which we have to follow while writing Roman numbers. The first rule is no number is repeated more than 3 times. ये जो symbols दिख रहे हैं 1 5 x 1 V, X, L, C, D, M. None of them is repeated more than 3 times. एक के बाद एक लगातार 3 बार से ज्यादा नहीं लिखना है. That is the first rule, which is very important. And second rule is, if a small number is on right side of big number, then it is added. ये भी मैं आगे समझाऊंगा. And if a small number is on left side of big number, then it is subtracted. कैसे होता है मैं समझाता हूँ अभी. So let's start from the very beginning. एकदम 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. 1 से क्यों? Because रोमन नंबर में 0 नहीं होता है. We cannot write 0 as Roman number. Okay, so I'm starting it with 1. So you know how we write 1? Just one line. That is 1. Now how I'm going to write a 2? I can write 2 as 2 straight lines. How I am going to write 3 then? I can write 3 straight lines. Now how I am going to write 4? Can I write 4 as 4 straight lines? Tell me. Of course not. This is wrong. And why this is wrong? Because of that first rule. No number is repeated more than 3 times. तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया? 1 1 1 1 4 times. This is wrong. So that's why I cannot write like this. चलो ठीक है भैया, नहीं लिख सकते ऐसे, अब क्या करें? ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते, कैसे तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना. So tell me how I can write 5. That is very easy. 5 can be written as V. Okay, you know that you can write 5 as V. What if this is 5, I subtract 1, 5 में से 1 माइनस कर दिया, how much is left? 4. That's what I said, that rule 3. If a small number is on left side of big number, then it is subtracted. So there is a 5 and there is a 1. 1 is a small number, 5 is a big number. A small number is on left side of the big number. That's why it is subtracted. 5 minus 1, that is 4. इसीलिए हम 4 को ऐसे लिखते हैं. This is the rule. Now this is 5. Now I have to write 6. Again I am having 5. and I add 1. Now how much this is? Now this is 6. मतलब 5 में 1 मैंने क्या किया? Add किया. Second rule, if small number is on right side of big number, then it is added. So this is 5 and a 1. This will make you 6. तो 4 और 6 में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. 4 में 1 जो है 5 के पहले रहता है, इसीलिए माइनस हो जाता है. 6 में 1 5 के बाद रहता है, इसीलिए प्लस हो जाता है. Similarly 7 we have to write 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 9. 9 को मैं 5 के बाद 1 1 1 1 लिख सकता हूँ क्या? No. Why? Because no number is repeated more than 3 times. So I cannot write like that. So how I can write? 5 plus 4. Okay, but 5 plus 4 नहीं लिखेंगे इसको. We can write, but that is not the rule of Roman numbers. What is 10 minus 1? I am having 10 fingers. I subtracted 1 finger. What is left? 5 plus 4, 9. So 10 minus 1 is also 9. So what is 10? X. X is 10. But I have to write 9. So I have to minus 1. So this is 9 and this 10 is X. So this is how we write Roman numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Now let's move further. थोड़े से और बड़े नंबर देखते हैं now. Okay. Now we know how to write Roman numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. 10 तक हमने सीख लिया. Now we are going to study about 2-digit numbers. How we are going to write 2-digit numbers. So like I have to write 16. ओके, तो पहले तो आप 1 से 10 तक का बहुत अच्छे से याद रखो, उसके बाद हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. सो आई हैव टू राइट 16. सो 16 इज व्हाट? 10 plus 6. 16 is 10 plus 6. So first I have to write 10. तो आपको 10 याद होना चाहिए. Then 10 is written as x, and then 10 plus 6. Plus 6 मतलब इसके राइट साइड में 6. So that is b I. That is 16. 19. That is 10 plus 9. This is 10, and then what is 9? 9 is ix. So that is 19. What is 20? 20. 10 plus 10. That is x and x. That is 20. 10 plus 10, 20. This is how I am going to write a 20. Then 28. This is 20. Now we know I have to add 8. Means right side I have to write 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 35. So for 35, it is 30 plus 5. How I am going to write 30 plus 5? So how I am going to write 30? 10, 20, 30. 3 times I can repeat. And then more 5. 5. Again 40 is there. अब एकदम ध्यान से समझ लो बेटा कि whenever there is a 4 or 9, आपको subtract करना है. You have to subtract for 4, you have to subtract for 9 also. So for that 40 कैसे लिखें? सोचो, इसी को यूज करना है बस. We have to use this only. Can you see? This is a 50, this is a 10. 50 से 10 को माइनस करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? What is 50 minus 10? 40. So 50 से 10 को माइनस कर दो. So first we have to write, suppose this is 50 and I I have to minus 10, I have to subtract 10. So subtract ka rule. If we have to subtract, we have to write to the left side. So that will be XL. Okay. Next, 64. 60. How I am going to write 60? 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10. Plus 10. So this is my 50 and plus 10, that is 60, and there is a 4 also. So 4. 64. Next, 82. 50, 60, 70, 80. I can repeat 3 times. No problem. 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 and then there is a 2. So it is 2. 90. अभी मैंने बोला जब ये 4 आएगा और 9 आएगा, we have to subtract. So 9, 90 में 9 आ गया, that I have to subtract. So tell me what is 100 minus 10? 100 minus 10. 90. So I have to subtract 10 from 100. तो पहले 10 लिखाएगा फिर 100. 10 is what? X and 100 is C. So this is 10, this is 100. A small number is before the big number. Third rule, we have to subtract. 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. So this is how I am going to write 90. Okay, now we are going to write 3-digit numbers into Roman numbers. So first number is 104. 104. How I am going to write 104 as Roman number? So 100 means what? पहले हम लिखेंगे 100, then उसमें 4 plus कर देंगे. So look here. What is 100? 100 is C. And then add 4. Add means right side. So this is 104. 346. 346. So how I am going to write 300s? 100, 200, 300. Any number can be repeated 3 times, not more than 3 times. So this is 300. Now I have to write 40. अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़े 40 कैसे लिखते हैं? That is XL. This is 40 and then 6. और 6 भी हमने पढ़ लिया है, that is VI. 400. I cannot write like this. 100, 100, 100, 100 is 400. But the method is wrong. Because no number can be repeated more than 3 times. So, how I am going to write then? Tell me 500 minus 100 is what? 400. 500 minus 100 is 400. So where is 500? This is 100. So I have to subtract 100 from 500. So that will be CD. D is 500, C is 100. छोटा number सामने, smaller number is before. So I have to subtract. 500 minus 100 is 400. Now 449. That is 400 plus 49. So first I will write 400. Now we know na, that 400 is CD. Then 40. What is 40? XL. And then what is 9? IX. 752. So first I will write 700. So how I am going to write 700? So tell me what is this? D 500. C 500 plus 100 600 plus 100 700. Then 50. 50 is what? L. And then 2. 52. 895. 500, 600, 700, 800. I can repeat 3 times. 90. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़ा 90 is XC. 5. Next 900. 900. फिर से 9 आ गया. जहाँ 9 वहाँ subtraction. If you subtract 100 from 1000, if you subtract 100 from 1000, you will get 900. We have to subtract 100 from 1000. That is CM. This is how we are going to write 3-digit numbers in Roman numerals. I think it is clear up to here. अगर कहीं पे भी कोई भी डाउट है, वीडियो को थोड़ा शुरू से देखो. एक बार में नहीं समझ आएगा तो 2 बार में आएगा, 2 बार में नहीं आएगा तो 3 बार में आएगा, बट आएगा जरूर. ओके, एक छोटा सा टॉपिक और देखते हैं. What we have studied now? We have given Hindu-Arabic number. We have to write that in Roman numerals. Now we have given Roman numerals and we have to write in Hindu-Arabic. उल्टा करना है. अभी तक हमको Hindu-Arabic दिया था, उसको रोमन में लिखना था. अब उल्टा हो गया, रोमन दिया है, Hindu-Arabic में लिखना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट रोमन न्यूमरल इज CXC. सो C is what? 100. XC, X is 10, which is written before C. आप इसको ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि ये 100 को इसमें 10 को इसमें प्लस कर दिया, राइट में लिखा है तो नो. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग दैट दिस 10 is written before this C. ये दोनों एक साथ आएगा. C is 100 but उसके सामने 10 लिखा है, so this is 90. Okay, these two numbers together are 90 and the C is 100. 100 के पीछे 90. That is 100 plus 90, so this number will be 190. Okay. DCCC. So D होता है बिग नंबर, उसके पीछे C लिखा है. So D is 500, 600, 700, 800. तो ये पूरा एक साथ कितना? 800. Then this L means 50 and this VII is 8. So this number is 858. Next MXLIX, बहुत बड़ा नंबर है. M means 1000. उसके बाद XL is 40 and IX is 9. याद होना चाहिए आपको. अब 2 डिजिट तो बहुत अच्छे से याद होना चाहिए. So M is 1000, this is 40, this is 9. So this number is 1049. CD, C पहले, D बाद में, छोटा नंबर पहले, बड़ा नंबर बाद में. Subtract 500 minus 100. This CD together is 400. This 3 tens will become 30 and this is 4. So this number is 434. So this is how we are going to write Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic number. So I think this is clear to you up to here कि कैसे रोमन नंबर्स क्या होते हैं, रोमन को आप हिंदू-अरेबिक में, हिंदू को रोमन में कैसे लिखेंगे. ठीक है, इसको एक बार प्रैक्टिस करिए, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिए जितना कर सकते हैं, एंड अगर कोई डाउट है तो आप बिल्कुल पूछिए. थैंक यू.